level indicator. In this video, we're going to be covering how this water level indicator works, how to make a project with it, how to connect it in place, and everything you need to know when you want to interface with this water level indicator. Do well to stay till the ending of this video to get great insight and full detailed knowledge about this module. I'm Success Promised by name, and let's dive in. So in this video, I'm going to be using this module. I'm going to be talking about the module which I said in the intro of this video, and also I'm going to be interfacing it with the Arduino Uno and the Arduino Uno actually, and I'm going to be printing the water level result on the LCD screen. Yeah, I'm actually using the LCD screen I2C type of module. Then also I'm going to be using the breadboard for external connections. So yeah, so these are the main thing which I'm going to be using in this video. So this is how it works. The working process of this module is very simple. You can see the 3 pins right here. These are 3 pins for receiving positive and negative voltage, and this is the output pins. Actually, the signal pin which is going to be connected to the Arduino for it to function very well. As you can see, there's a transistor right here and some resistors and capacitors, and also a indicator LED. And you can see this metallic traces probes. Now this metallic traces probes, it can be that if you're asking how does it actually detect the water level, it can detect the water level due to, or in the case of the resistance change or the capacitance change. So these 2 probes are connected to the circuit. According to the resistance change or the capacitance change, it can calculate for the water level. When submerged in water, it calculates the accurate water level and sends it out in this signal pin, which is going to the Arduino, and the Arduino decodes it and send it to the LCD screen. And in other cases, it can be that the base is actually connected to one leg of these probes, and the other side is connected to the positive of the side of the battery, which is going to, according to the level of water, reduces the resistance and make it more conductive and complete the circuit and send a signal, analog signal, to the Arduino Uno. So this is the material which I'm going to be using in this video: a breadboard, the Arduino Uno for programming, and also a LCD screen which I'm going to be printing the result, and the main thing of the day, the module. So let's quickly go into the connections and the programming of this video. Also in this video, we're going to lead a lot of jumper wire which is going to be connected in the circuit. So this is the schematic and the circuit which you need to follow in it to get your result, and this is the schematic which describes how you're going to connect the LCD screen, the module, and everything together. So check it out. If you want to screenshot it, get it screenshotted, and let's quickly go into the connection process. Okay, before I make the connection process, I'm going to be saying the connection with my lips. So actually, the signal pin of this module is going to be connected to the AO. Yeah, the signal pin is going to be connected to the AO and analog 0, as you can see right here, AO. So it's going to be connected to the AO of the Arduino. Then the positive side of this module is going to be connected to this positive side, 5 volts, and the negative side of the module is going to be connected to the ground side of the Arduino. And also the LCD screen, same, the ground is going to be connected to ground, VCC is going to be connected to VCC, SDA pin is going to be connected to A4, yeah, A4, and SCL is going to be connected to A5. So this is A4 and A5, you can see it in Arduino. Every Arduino has it, A4 and A5. So this is the place it's going to be connected together. Let's quickly make the connections, and yes. Oh, before I forget, we need to program the Arduino. So in programming your Arduino, you need Arduino cable. So this Arduino cable is going to be connected to your laptop, then you're going to program it. So let's quickly program it to our Arduino. So yeah, plug this in, and this USB port is going to be connected to your laptop which you want to program. So let's quickly go into our laptop immediately. Okay, so this is the coding which is actually programmed to the Arduino. But this is the code which I'm going to be programming to the Arduino. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description of my Patreon which you can get the code. Let's quickly program the circuit. Okay, we are done programming. Let's quickly go into the connection process. I know you have waited for this. Let's dive in. Okay, once again, this breadboard is going to be using to connect more complex connections, because this Arduino Uno right here only has one 5 volt. So, and I want to use 5 volt to power the LCD screen and the module. So I'm going to be connecting this 5 volt to the breadboard, and the different modules is going to be connected to that particular 5 volt, because this particular Arduino has only one 5 volt output. That's why I'm using the breadboard included. So let's dive in. Too much talks. Okay, everything is connected successfully, everything is done. Time to go outside to test it. Yeah, I don't want to bring water into my decks right here, so I want to go outside to test the water level indicator. Do you want to see it? Stay tuned. Okay, we are outside right here and it's time to test it. You can see it's actually outside. I brought my tripod to with me so that I can use it to stand the camera. So I'm gonna dip this module into the water, and according to the level which I dip it in, it will determine the level. It's gonna display here low, medium, or high. So this is gonna be connected to my laptop. Let's bring it on. According to the coding, first of all, when you plug in the circuit, it's gonna show what W level, indicating water level. Is gonna say empty. Yeah, so it shows empty right here. Let's bring in the water. Okay, and then if you're asking what are those figures right here, those figures count how the module is submerged into the water. So this is the water bowl which I want to use. So let's bring it closer a little bit, and time to test. Moment of truth. You want to see it? Let's test it out. So I'm gonna start off with a tip. I'm gonna put the tip first, and let's view. Okay, like so. This is a malfunction. So I'm gonna put it in the water right now, testing it right now. So this is the LCD screen shows empty. When I dip it in the water a little bit, focus a little bit, shows medium, and when I put it more, it shows high. Yeah, when the resistance of the traces increases, it increases, and it says high. The water level is high, but when I put it a little bit, it says medium. So this is how it actually shows the water level, like so. Yep, it says high right now. I'm gonna clean it, and I'm gonna test it again. Yeah, second test. Let's put it in the water and see how it works. Put it first a little bit. It says low, medium. When I put it in the water more, it says high. Yep, perfect. The circuit works perfectly, and yeah, yep. The circuit works perfectly, and yeah. Thank you very much for watching, and let's go to the conclusions of this video. Okay, here is a little twist. I wanted us to do a little experiment with my new project. So this is the water, and you can see that the water is not enough, but this is actually a salt. This is how it works. It actually calculates the water level with the resistance of these traces. So putting salt in the water increases its conductivity, because normally water is a conductor, but putting salt in the water increases its conductivity. So I'm gonna just put the module a little bit in it, and I'm not gonna put it to the fullest, just gonna put it a little bit, and like so. I'm gonna put all in it, just a little bit or so, and as you can see, it shows low right here. But watch the twist. When I put salt in the water, it will quickly rise up to high because its conductivity has increases, and yep, so check it out. Yep, medium, high. You can see it. I added a salt in the water, and it increases the conductivity, which actually tricked the module, and it sent the signal that the water is filled. Actually, this is a little experiment which I learned, and rate your star under the comment section below. Yeah. So just a quick break. If you're thinking of getting your own water level sensor, you can find them on AliExpress. They sell them on AliExpress. As you can see here is actually my 1,951 naira in my area. You can find lots and lots of them on AliExpress. So I just need to search water level indicator. This is the exact thing which I actually use in the video. So the link in the description to get the product immediately. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video to the ending. I really appreciate you. If so, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also support me on Patreon for more interesting videos like this. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.